Hello and welcome to a new video. We are gonna do some bee exploring. Okay? Well, this is the first of a series of videos in which we explore the Vlang, in which I try to teach myself about bee. Okay? Okay. Let's launch the camera. Great. It's not that shiny. Oh, it's because I don't have my lights turned on. I guess that's why. It's not that bad, but let me just turn on my more powerful lights. Okay, that's better, right? Okay, so let's start with this bee journey. Okay, because we can close this. Are we recording everything? Testing. Yeah, apparently it's working. Okay, so I was asking ChatGPT how to do this. I installed IntelliJ IDEA, but not for Java, but for bee. So how do you do it? Okay, well, you basically what you do is you install IntelliJ IDEA. This is the community version, so the free version. I'm not paying anything for this. Then you go to plugins, and then you search for Vlang, and then you install it. This is the plugin that allows you to write Vlang code, right? Yeah. So I know almost nothing about Vlang, but it appears to be a promising language. So yeah, I guess I can put this time my face here. Yeah, I guess. Okay. How do we start? Well, let's start by opening our bee thing. So this is the bee folder that you download from the internet. Again, if you want to download, well, search for Vlang on Google or whatever search engine you have, and then open the first thing right there, and then download here for Linux or whatever you're using, right? I downloaded it again by accident. I already did previously. So what I have here, let me okay, what I have here is what is the content of the file that is just extracted, right? So this is the bee thing. I haven't installed it to path because when I'm configuring this IntelliJ project, it tells me to specify the bee location, and I specified this folder, and that's it. That's all I did, and now I'm able to run bee programs. So I think it's a great idea that the bee creators made a plugin for IntelliJ. So let me move this here. Okay, that's better. Is that okay? I don't know. Yeah. So it's running, but I don't know how to use bee. So the first thing I can do probably is to explore the main module or something. I don't know. Module main, I think, is my program, right? It's not a library. Okay. So here we have a couple of resources. I also have some videos that other YouTubers have created related to bee. There's not a lot of bee videos, right? So that's why I'm creating these B videos, right? So B by example, this is very outdated and will be updated and worked upon when B.1.0 is related. Okay. B by example is a direct introduction to B by using annotated program examples, contributing licenses, and so on. So section 1, introduction to B, hello world, B keywords. Okay, let's start with hello. Let's open all this. Hello world, B keywords, primitives, variables, strings, comment. Okay, let's do section 1. Okay. I'm teaching you, but I'm also teaching me, right? So, because I don't know. So, hello world.md, formatted print. It tells us to print text to the output without new line. Println prints with new line. Eprint, print, same as print, but output goes to error. Println, same as print, but goes to error. Okay. Panic, outputs and exits from the program. Okay. So let's try to write code, because I'm kind of shy of writing code in B, because I don't know. So eprint. Oh, IntelliJ actually works. Shows. Oh, I'm using like double quote. Now a single quote apparently also worked. So hello error. I don't know. Okay, can I run it with Shift F10? Let me see. Okay, yeah, it worked. Hello error. There is to, but I don't see the difference, right? Well, that's basically it. So let's go to the next lesson. Here we have keywords, break, const, as, continue, the defer, struct, for, fn, in them, else, go to, if, import, return, interface, in, mute, puv, type, match, module, or none. Okay. Primitives, so we have bool. Okay, let's make it a variable. Can bool x false? Can I do that? Is that correct? No, I think that's not correct. What if I just say x false? Will that be correct? Yes, I guess. So print ln. I'll do something, as you know me. fn. So fn is the function o. How do we specify a string? str. Do we do this with like Kotlin? I don't know. Is that correct? Can I do that? No, this is not Kotlin. Okay, let's do something. Let's do nothing here, right? And then let's from here call print ln and str, let's say. Okay, but then here we will say oh hey hi, right? But it doesn't have that, so maybe here it enables me to add that, or no, too many arguments but only got one. No, it doesn't allow me to add the thing, so it's not very well integrated, but because in Java or Kotlin it kind of would tell me that I can do that, but let's wait, let's see some examples so I can actually know how B is written, right? So which example? Oh, I Fibonacci that B. Oh, I opened in LibreOffice. Okay, that's fine. Oh, this is how you... I don't even know what this is. Oh, this is the type, right? This is the type. Yeah, so I guess something more complicated than this. Probably... what else? Binary search tree. Let's open it with mousepad. Okay. Okay. I'm not really familiar with this, but apparently you put the name of the thing and then the type of the thing, right? Is that correct? I don't know, it seems like that would be the case, but not really sure. Game of life. This looks interesting. Okay, let's change our default application, please, to mousepad. Thanks. Okay, so get surrounding x int y int. Oh, okay, kind of get it. But what's these? Is this the returning type? Or what? I don't know what this is. Function gets the parameters and then the name of the function afterwards. I don't know. I don't really know. This is some sort of a class or something. Okay, let's see something else. GG. Okay, let's try to test some of this. So str string, will that be correct? Then let's see if it prints hi, right? Oh, use to declare a variable. Oh, so apparently I need to do this, right? Hi, and then can I print? Well, in Kotlin you did this, but I don't think it will work in this case. But let's run it. I mean, yeah, it works. Okay, great. Well, that's great. I mean, oh, that's great. Now I can just call O, because I like calling O for printing, right? Not bad. Not bad. Let's do OL, right? And then let's create another function O that will print like without new line. Well, so far I liked it. I like it. No. Not bad. Not bad at all. So this is O. This is... okay. Let's make these OL. Right. Just to test. Hello world, hi false. Not bad, not bad. And of course this is just O, so it's no OL, so it should print one besides the other, next to the other, which is what's doing here, which is great. So far I like B. have to say. So far it's okay. Compiles fast, runs fast. I would say it's as fast as C in compilation running thing. Yeah. So far so good. So far so good. I think the most important feature of B is to make the plugin better. I think that's the most important feature. So that's bool. Float, rune, Unicode string. Okay. Compound types: array, map, struct, integer. Integer is a stuff classified into signed and unsigned. I like these names, as you may know from my C programming, and I like these names as well. Again, as you may know from my C programming, because I create macros with these names. Well, I don't go to 128, I go to 64, but here we have even more than that, which is not bad. It's great. Okay, so yeah, primitives, it's kind of cool. Not bad. Let's continue. Variables. Okay, so here it is. In B, variables can be declared and initialized using the colon equals operator. Variables can only be declared in this way in B. This means all variables have an initial value. The type of a variable is inferred from the value on the right hand side. Okay, by default, B variables are immutable. Great, great. So far, so good. So this is how this. This is a like a int. This is a string. Is adult. It's not bad. It's great. Of course, now I am using O instead of println because it's more efficient. I like O better. Okay. And if you're like me, you'll do the same. Variables can only be defined in a function. There are no global variables and no global state in B. Okay, okay, interesting, interesting. This enforces some kind of programming style, right? Yeah, definitely. I'll have to get used to this. Okay, to change the value of a variable, it needs to be mutable. This can be done using the mute keyword when declaring the variable. To assign a new value to a variable, use equals. Okay, okay, okay. So it's like if you don't use anything, it's like using val in Kotlin. For those who come from Kotlin, because Kotlin is the only modern language that I know, and the default thing is like if it was using val or const or whatever. And when there's no such specifier, I mean, when it's no, it's val. But if you want to make it variable, like var, you have to say mutable, which is great. Makes sense, right? Yeah. So okay. It's elegant. It's minimalistic. So kind of cool. Leaving out the mute keyword here will result in error because the value of an immutable variable cannot be changed. Okay, I understand that. The code above will result in error compilation because the variable h is not declared because it's not using the colon space. As far as I know. So here, okay. Let's now exercise that. Okay. Okay. Let's say dog colon equals Cory. That was my dog from my childhood. Okay. And then I'll print OL. My childhood dog name was dog. Okay. Run again. My childhood dog name was Cory. Okay, that's great. Well, not bad. You can delete this. But of course I cannot change Cory afterwards. For example, here I cannot God dog like Max, which was Corey's son. So now if I want to run this, let's see what happens. Okay, it says that it's not that, so I can make a mutable, make this mutable, like MUT, and go again. And now, oh, sorry, it's dog, not God. What? Okay, this is hilarious. Oh, X, this is not been used. Okay, we can just comment this, which is kind of cool. And it's okay. My childhood name was Corey. And then I don't know. Let's duplicate this line. Okay, let's run this again. Was Max, so it was changed to Max, which was actually in real life Corey's son. It's great. Okay, both are dead now, so okay, you can use this to ignore values. Okay, name rules. The following are the rules which should be kept in mind while naming variables. Names should not contain uppercase letters like alpha tests. Use underscores or separators like hello world. Okay, okay. Okay, I guess I can do that, right? I'm used more to this because I started learning programming in Java, right? Name should be descriptive as possible. Shouldn't be as descriptive as possible. Okay. Name should not contain what's this? Double underscore, right? Name should not contain any space. If the name is longer than 11, then it must use what? What are you talking about? If the name is longer than 11, then it must use that separator. Okay. Okay, this should be up to the program, right? I guess. I don't know. I didn't get it. Okay, so let's continue. Invalid names. Invalid names. Okay. Well, I see this, but is this invalid? Really? But I mean, I don't think it will enforce that, will it? I would guess that this would work, but it's not. It's not. Okay, okay. Cannot contain uppercase letter. Use snake case instead. But it will not let me run. Okay. Compared to snake case, I am not valid. Okay, wow, this is new. This is new. This is the first language I have used that actually enforces naming conventions. Okay, let's see how it goes. I mean, well, yeah, time we have to say, we'll say. Okay, okay, this was an interesting chapter. Variables, learned a lot. Then we have strings. Okay, in B, one can define strings using the dot operator. Strings are immutable by default. I already know that. When using BFMT, all double quoted strings be converted to single quoted ones unless it contains a single quote character. Okay, interpolation is possible to do string interpolation with this for the variable. Okay, that's great. I discovered that for for my own, which is the same as in Kotlin. So Kotlin actually works for something cool. The concatenation is a string being concatenated with a plus operator. Okay, not bad, not bad. So let's why, I mean, why not? Okay, I'm mixing like single quote and double quote strings. I'm not valid, why not? Okay. Appending strings work with concatenation as well, plus equals. Okay, not bad, not bad. Strings encoded, notes. Notes, when using some string syntax, the end is not inclusive. Some string start and end is not inclusive. All operators in B must have values of the same type on both sides. Okay, the code below will not compile because age is an int. Oh, it says you cannot add a string with an int. We therefore need to convert it to a string using str. Okay, not bad. Okay, age 25. Okay, let's do this actually, just to have it there. Let's do will it auto-format it? Let's see. Oh yes. Oh, it changed to single quote all the strings. Okay, okay, not bad. Actually, I think it's better single quote. It's more minimal. 25, why not? Okay. Not bad, not bad. So far, 9 out of 10 to this language. Really good. Really good. I still haven't tested performance because I don't really know how to write anything to test the performance of the language, but I mean, they say it's fast, so it should be. I mean, if it's faster than Go, I would accept it. If it's faster than Go, that's all I asked for. Doesn't have to be faster than C or C++, but if it's faster than Go, I think it's a great option, and I think they should target Go. I mean, I think if I was designing this language, I would see Go as my main competitor, so I have to make it something like, I don't know, 20% minimum faster than Go, 30% faster than Go, 1 time faster than Go, 2 times faster than Go, whatever. But make it faster than Go by more than 20 or 30%, and then this has a place in the world, right? In my opinion. Okay, so that was the strings. Character literals. Row strings can be defined with as prepending, they cannot be escaped. So that's a raw string. Okay. Dun, dun, dun. I'm about to lose. Okay. Okay. Don't know what really are raw strings. I guess it's more primitive type of string that doesn't have some features, I guess. I don't know. Bsport single comment, multi-line comment. Okay, so far so good. So we have finished with section 1, which is great. I'm happy. I'm happy. I still need to do some benchmark of it. Let's see how long is this video. I don't want to make very long videos. It's 29 minutes. I think I can be here for a bit longer, like 10 minutes more. Would that be okay? Yeah, probably. But let's, with the things that I've learned, let's try to play and benchmark it somehow. I don't know really how to do that, but can I do a loop? How can I do a loop? Can I do while loop? So I guess mute x, mute x, 100. Oh, sorry, this is how you declare it. While x is greater than 1 or greater than 0, and then I will say x plus minus equals 1. Is that correct? Can I do this? Okay. Loops. So in section 2 we have loops. Let's just get a peek into that really quickly. What? 4? So we don't have while loops? Oh, it's just 4 and that will be an infinite loop. Okay, let's do that. Okay. Okay. 4. And I'll say like mute less equals 1. Can I do that? That's not mute, sorry, it's X. Okay. So I say if X equals 0, if X equals 0, then we can break that, right? And then here you can say, oh well, program finished, right? Breaks not being allowed. Okay. Okay. We're exploring section 2 already. So operator, what's operators? Addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. Greater, equal, down, bitwise, assignment operators. Okay, I mean it's the same as in every programming language, not bad. What else do we have? Like if else? Do we have this? So if else, if this, then we print ln. If if doesn't have parentheses, apparently, but still cannot do break. Okay, it allows here from some breaking. Oh, but that's in the next. Oh, it doesn't have that, but has like these, right? Okay. Let me print here the following: O with, the X and the space. The next will be decremented, and yeah. Can I print here this new line? Probably. Is that allowed? I don't know. Let's see. Oh, yeah, exactly what I expected. And it compiled fast and ran fast. Not bad at all. Not bad at all. I'm liking this language, have to tell you. I'm liking it. I was planning to learn Go, but now I'll stick to B, I guess. Yeah, I think this is an elegant language, right? Because it's also efficient, and it's also the compiler itself takes 1 second to compile or something like that, and uses 10 megabytes. And that compared to Go, which is very fast in that regard, it uses like 800 megabytes and takes like more than 1 minute. So that is something. I would like to know more about this language and its implementation. But yeah, not bad. Not bad at all. Yeah, I think this is quite a good language. Have to tell you, it's quite a good language. So yes. Yeah, I'm trying to reduce the tab size or tab size. I think that's not available for Go. Oh, I guess this is the one. To 2. Editor config. Let's see if it worked. Not working apparently. Okay, I'll figure that out later. But yeah, I mean, this Go thing, this Vlang is quite interesting. Have to tell you, it's quite interesting for me. I think it has some good taste. The guy who designed it, or the guys, or whatever, have good taste. I would say it's a good language, and I don't say that often. Of course, I haven't tested it. I mean, a lot, but so far so good. So far so good. I have to tell you. Yes. Editor config. I don't know how to do that. Still don't know. Code style. Editor config. Wrapping braces, declarations, be. Oh, here we have it. 2, 2, 2. Oh, that's great. Let's see if it worked this time. Oh, that's amazing. Okay, that's the style I like. I don't want it too big of an indentation. 2 is great. Okay, I think this is it for this video. I will continue in the next one. I hope you like it. Give it a like, and I see you in the next one. Bye.